A Fox 35 update now. This deadly deputy-involved shooting outside of a Target last year is leading to a lawsuit against a sheriff. Osceola County Sheriff Marco Lopez is being accused of establishing a violent policing culture. Fox 35's Marie Edinger has reaction from both sides.
Sheriff Marco Lopez was scheduled to be at an event near this railroad today. That was set up for 4:30. He had not responded to interview requests earlier in the day, so we hoped to talk with him here, but he wound up canceling last minute, so we didn't get that opportunity. The lawsuit is in response to one particular incident, but in it, Sheriff Marcos Lopez is accused of fostering a, quote, agency-wide culture of escalating minor criminal offenses into violent and deadly scenes.
We think that the actions of the Osceola County Sheriff's Office through the policies, procedures, and practices of Sheriff Lopez are outrageous, dangerous, and beyond reckless.
In April of 2022, Osceola County Sheriff's deputies were conducting training exercises at a Target. They were notified about a group of teenagers who the lawsuit says stole about $40 worth of Pokemon cards and pizza. Instead of arresting them on the spot, the lawsuit accuses the Sheriff's Office of using them as human guinea pigs.
The lawsuit will ultimately seek millions, and that's simply because of these ongoing violations, which we believe, as it's been alleged, are civil rights and constitutional violations.
Surveillance video shows the deputies in unmarked cars blocking in a car with 4 teens inside. As the teens try to drive off, the deputies opened fire. 20-year-old Jaden Bays, the driver, was killed. His father is joining the lawsuit on his behalf.
I will never be a grandfather.
Lawyers say 19-year-old Joseph Lowe put his hands up to surrender and wound up being shot in both hands and losing a finger. 18-year-old Michael Gomez was shot in the back multiple times. A 17-year-old was slammed to the ground and says he was injured. The lawsuit claims widespread and persistent policy, practice, culture, and procedures of the Osceola County Sheriff's Office allowed such a deadly and violent event to occur. The Osceola County Sheriff's Office told Fox 35 in a statement they weren't surprised by the lawsuit, saying, quote, "It was announced to the individuals who damaged several police cars, caused injury to one deputy, and placed several other deputies in fear for their lives would be suing the Osceola County Sheriff's Office. We look forward to the facts being told in a court of law."
The deputies rammed his vehicle. It's there. So for them to twist this, we just want the truth. We just want the facts.
Former State Attorney Monique Worrell confirmed she was investigating the Osceola County Sheriff before she was removed from her position. Now, the new State Attorney has taken over that investigation. And the new State Attorney, Andrew Bain, has a new policy that says if a law enforcement officer uses deadly force, that case can go to a grand jury automatically. That means, in this case, Sheriff Marco Lopez could be facing criminal charges in the future. In Osceola County, Marie Edinger, Fox 35 News.